Everybody, I'm Matt Torres, and like I promised, I got some new and exciting shoes for you guys. You couldn't tell from the title of this video and by the looks of the box, it's the Jordan 3 Denim Fire Red. And let's just go straight into the unboxing. First off, I just love the look of this special edition box. Does a really cool job of showing us all the colors that the Fire Red has. And it's just nice every once in a while Jordan Brand does these cool details. Opening up the lid, and of course we got the iconic elephant print pattern right here for the wrapping paper. Let's open that up, take off the white wrapping paper, and woo, here they are. I'm just gonna go ahead and take one sneaker out the box here, and wow. The first thing I noticed is, holy crap, look at the amazing quality that is on this sneaker. I mean, just look at that denim. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Is that denim on a sneaker? Yeah, what's wrong with that too, Gucci? Because denim is made for your legs, not for your feet. Well, actually, this is not exactly the first time we've seen denim on a sneaker. I mean, we had the Levi's Jordan 4 collab and also the Jordan 6 denims. Really? That's the dumbest thing I've ever heard. Yeah, some people might think that. But this is why in this video, we're gonna figure out if the Jordan 3 Fire Red denim is worth it. First, of course, we're going to go over some background. Okay, so far the Jordan 3 black cements, the white cements, and the true blues have all had a retro. And now it was the Fire Red's turn, and they wanted to do something a little bit more special. And I think it's a really good thing, because I honestly think that the Jordan 3 Fire Red has been my least favorite out of the bunch. These sneakers were released on August 26th of this year, with the retail price of $200. And before we start diving more into the sneaker, if you guys are enjoying the content so far, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I have a goal by the end of this year to get 4,000 watch hours, and right now we're at 1,500. So any support would just be awesome. Starting with the sole of the shoe, it's pretty much all white besides the Nike branding right here. And also this little black portion right here. So really basic sole, nothing really too special going on here. Coming up to the midsole, also nothing really too special right here. Pretty much the toe section is all white. Middle is white on white. Exposed air bubble right here. And then we have black on top of white, and this extends all the way up to the inner portion of the sneaker. So yeah, really basic. This sneaker probably could have used a lot more red, but it is what it is. Now coming up to the uppers of the sneaker, now this is where the sneaker starts to shine. All the elephant print portions of the sneaker has been redesigned to have denim, which is just an absolutely huge step up from the last Fire Red Jordan 3. And then looking at it closely, the elephant print pattern is also done really nicely on these. It's really cool, and I absolutely love this detail. And pretty much covering the majority of the sneaker is this really nice quality white leather. It just feels really soft. It really reminds me of my Jordan 3 UNCs. Really well done, Jordan Brand. Sliding into the middle portion of the sneaker, we have basically an all white middle section right here with some nice little red eyelids right there. And then towards the middle we have white eyelids, and on the top we have black eyelids. Once again, we see more of that denim elephant print, which is just absolutely great. I love that so much. And then the tongue also has some really nice leather that is perforated right there, all leading up to the really cool red Jumpman in the middle right here. Back of the tongue is also in fire red, and it also has the sizing tag. That's really strange. I actually never seen that in a Jordan 3 before. Anyways, it's all really nice. And then moving back towards the heel of the sneaker, now this is where stuff gets really interesting. As you can see, we have the Nike Air symbol, but if I turn it slightly to the right, you can also kind of see the little Jumpman sticking out. It's almost like they couldn't decide whether or not they wanted to put the Jumpman or the Nike Air, so they kind of just put both. It's also kind of unique how the pull tab is clear too. Once again, never seen anything like that, but it's there. Some people don't know how they feel about this. Me, I think it's really cool. Yes, I know it'll probably be more OG if they just let the Nike Air on there without the Jumpman. But since this is kind of like a special edition, I just figure, why not just have that? The more details, the better, in my opinion. Also on the top portion of the bag of the sneaker, we have this nice portion of red perforated leather. I really like this red touch. It helps the sneaker pop out a little bit more, but I kind of wish there was more red touches on the sneaker. But this is all we really get, and this is done really well in the sneaker. Moving into the interior of the sneaker, we have nice black fabric along the sock liner. And also the insole of the sneaker is pretty cool. It's white with a Nike Air logo on there. Very nice detail indeed. And yeah, there all is to it to the sneaker. Now here comes the question. Is it worth it? Well, quality wise, I'll definitely give this sneaker a 10 out of 10. The denim is really nice. The leather is really nice. I mean, it's all top notch. It's quite the best that we've seen on Jordan 3s. Looks wise, it's pretty subjective. You either love or hate the fire red colorway. Me, I'll give it like a 7 out of 10. Just because I think like the midsole portion is really basic. I really felt like back in the day, they could have done something more to it. And it's still really basic on this release, so I really can't say much about it. But one thing I would say was pretty cool was the thumb tab on the back. I know a lot of people is probably not gonna like it, but I do. Now for sizing and comfortability, sizing go true to size. It is a Jordan 3. And comfortability, now unfortunately I'm not going to show you any on feet footage today because I'm probably going to go and resell these sneakers. But comfortability wise, I'm going to go ahead and guess it's kind of like my Jordan 3 UNCs. So it's really good, but not quite on the level of Yeezy or Ultra Boost. But not too terrible. I'll probably get comfortability wise an 8 out of 10. So overall, I would say yes, the sneaker is definitely worth it. And right now, resale prices for the sneaker are going really low. The majority of which are under $300, which I think is an absolute steal because I just know prices of these are going to go up in the future. So I would say cop them now before they get too expensive. And yeah, that brings us to the end of the video. So the Jordan 3 Denim Fire Red. What'd you guys think about it? Like, comment, share this video if you enjoyed it. And last, but certainly not least, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.